started before it gets too hot.
Inside this facility, automation meets perfect flavor. Each measurement is precise to a fraction of a gram. This is efficiency on a massive scale. Inside this facility, automation meets perfect flavor. Each measurement is precise to a fraction of a gram. This is efficiency on a massive scale. Each piece is slowly bathed. The golden oil locks in the flavor, creating a rich, glossy texture. This is
Put those on truck 4. I'm on it.
Thousands of mangoes pass through these lines every hour. Precision blades deliver the perfect cut every time, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste.
Spanning across the factory floor are hundreds of these gigantic jars, holding the golden harvest prepared by our dedicated workforce.
country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me. Rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, precision every jar is perfectly sealed, bringing a classic taste to millions of homes worldwide. Every mango is picked by hand at the perfect moment. This is where the true story of flavor begins. Vibrant, sweet.
Looks like a good yield this year. The morning light is perfect.
Yeah, let's get started before it gets too hot.
High-frequency vibratory screens separate the seeds by size. Optical sorters then ensure only the purest seeds remain.
Color profile on this batch looks optimal.
Firmness is within the target range.
Checking the bricks levels now. This batch shows perfect crispness. The texture is exactly where we want it. Let's adjust the dill dispersion for the next run.
Head on through to loading dock B.
These look absolutely perfect. The firm texture is exactly where we want it.
Brine levels are normal too.
Batch 42 looks perfect.
Acidity levels are within range.
Perfect. Let's get these labeled. Batch 42 looks perfect.
Acidity levels are within range.
Perfect. Let's get these labeled. These mango levels are perfectly on track.
Great, let's check the next vat.